Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm taking a look at the Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Now this is a new device from Xiaomi, and just recently came out, and I was lucky enough to get a hold of one of these so I can actually do a quick unboxing and initial first look. Now the way that I'll do this one, I guess, is right now I'm just going to do the unboxing, kind of show you what the band looks like, and maybe install the app quickly. It just comes in this black box. Kind of open it up here. And you have the band. You've got quite a big manual. So that's actually pretty thick, the user manual. It's in multiple languages, so you have that. And then you also get, as you would expect, a way to charge the device. So this is a USB-C to little magnet thing that snaps onto the band. And then you have the actual device here. So now these do just have a one size kind of fits all band. Now it is, fairly slim and trim compared to something like an Apple Watch. This is the 44 millimeter Apple Watch, obviously much bigger. Now I do have the large band on the Apple Watch, so as you can see, this is pretty long, so it should be adequate for, multiple size wrists. So first of all, I don't know how to turn this thing on. I might need to plug it in to turn it on. Okay, so I just plugged it in and put a little power, and then I actually turned it on. So it says it has 77% battery right now. Instantly goes into the mode where it shows you the QR code for the app. So that's nice. You don't have to go find it or try to figure out where to get the app from the App Store. So it is the Mi Fitness 3 app. So I'm going to go ahead and download that from the Apple Store. So that is downloading. But yeah, overall the band is pretty lightweight. It's pretty small, compact, like I said. As you can see on the back there's the sensors for blood oxygen, heart rate, that sort of thing. So you have that. So I will go ahead now. I have the app. Turn up my brightness. There are terms and conditions. Yes, 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 okay. Pick my region. I am in the US or United States. And that's all it actually asks for. So go ahead and add a device. I got to sign in to a Mi account, so I'm going to go ahead and make an account real quick. Okay, so I did go ahead and create an account. I need to then set a few things like my gender, my height. I don't know. It does it in centimeters. Okay, so I did have to set up a few things in order to get this to work. So now it is searching for the device, Xiaomi Smart Band 7, accept binding request, done. So it goes through a little bit here. Do I need to personalize some stuff? Okay. And then, yeah, now it goes into creating goals and all of that. So I will do that later. It does show the device now here, Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Everybody, so what I'm going to do here is just an overview of the interface of the device, and I'm going to do a separate video on actually the usage of the device and the app at some point in the future, just because it's going to take me a while to use it and gather some data over the course of time, a week or two, so I can get a really good feel for the app and how this thing tracks sleep and motion and all of that. But what I wanted to do, kind of as a final part of this review or of this unboxing is just take a look at the interface, right? So the default watch face is pictured here. And as you can see, it has, some different things: heart rate, charge level, like a weather, your steps, calorie counter sort of thing. And there's a few different other default watch faces that you can load, and then you can also get some different online ones, and load those to the watch. So you can kind of customize this quite a bit. Now, one thing I have to change here is try to find the settings for the screen timeout, because it keeps turning off like instantly here. I'm gonna make that like 15 seconds, fine, whatever, okay. So that hopefully it doesn't keep timing out. But basically all you do, you kind of swipe side to side to get to different items, and swipe up to get to like a majority of the applications. Otherwise, you can swipe down and get to notifications. So if you have notifications that pop up, you can view the notifications and interact with the notifications by swiping down. Otherwise, if you swipe up, then you get into, personal activity, heart rate, blood oxygen, workout tracking, your workout history, workout status, stress, sleep, weather, music control, alarm, your settings, events. So if you have you're sharing events to this with your phone, you can get the event notifications as well. And then under more, there's like a flashlight, which turn the screen white. Female health tracking, breathing. So if you do like breath exercises, there's a stopwatch, a timer. You can find your phone from here, which just makes the phone ring. Event reminders, camera remote control. So you can use this to do the camera remote control. There's some sort of, I don't know what Pomodoro timer is. Basically you can set a duration and have a timer. So that's that. If you go back, that was under the more. There's a bunch of settings. So there's watch face settings, display brightness settings, do not disturb settings, lock screen. You can turn on battery saver mode, workout detection, if it's automatic or not. You can set preferences, like the vibration intensity, the language, all kinds of stuff. So, this is pretty functional from the band itself. There's quite a few things you can configure and set up in the band, as well as, the features in the band, like the alarms and all of this stuff. So that's pretty interesting, pretty cool. The app itself is pretty robust on the phone. Allows you to set goals. It allows you to view everything, kind of go through all of that, track, etc. What you would expect from, a app on your phone that connects to a fitness band. So, to really do this thing justice, I'm going to have to spend some time with it, see how it works, check it out with the app, see how the app works, and then, kind of create a follow-up video for this. It's just like there's too much information. There's too rich of a feature set to really kind of cover in a single unboxing video. So I'm going to do that, and at some point in the future I'll have an update where I come back. But again, just wanted to kind of give my first initial thoughts, do the unboxing, show you what you get with this, and just a little bit of what does the interface look like, etc. Overall impressions of the device itself, which are positive so far. Seems pretty well made, feature packed, etc. So I will link to this in the description. Please ask comments. Please, interact on this if you have any questions, or if you have any advice on what you want to see as part of a future video when I kind of unpack this a little bit more and use it and see how it works. Definitely put that feedback in there, and I'll be sure to try to address that when I get to it. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.